Because of this digital business, my life has changed. I want to tell you that do not let scarcity decide your future. Why? Because of this business partnership, I am now a totally different person. When I was working, I was very shy. Knowing I cannot speak English, I become silent. I learned to follow people. I learned how to wait for them to tell me what to do. I lost who I am. I lost my voice. And there's also many things. I also lost promotions because I believe that I am not good in English, and I believe that I don't have what other people have to offer. But guys, this business, this global business community has changed me. It changed me professionally, it changed me personally, because now I am a proud digital business owner. I am a proud mentor. I'm helping a lot of people's lives change. I'm helping family to get back their mom. I'm helping family to have more time with their children. And I'm helping family to recreate, catch up on their lost relationship. Because this business will give you the time for yourself to take care of your health, for your family, to prioritize them, not to prioritize the work, not to prioritize other people's schedule for you to work to earn for a living, but prioritize what is important to you and give you the opportunity to earn income through your own effort, through your own passions, because we will teach you how to start an online business with what you love to do. I am now a digital business owner, and I am leveraging on gardening. I am leveraging on healing myself. I am leveraging on helping many of us who are owning this system. So if you think that you cannot do it, you are wrong. Because of this system, because of the people that is here right now that's supporting me, I say I am successful even though I wasn't very good in English. And this training, our training, actually helped me to trust myself that I can learn how to speak English. And I can learn how to trust myself that I can provide financial support to my family because of this online business, because of this global support. So guys, I want you to believe in yourself, that once you believe in yourself, once you decide that you deserve better, you can do it. If you have the right tools, the right system, and the right support. And through this global community, it is possible.